guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 6, Lesson 15. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to add a pair of two-digit numbers when the ones digit has a sum that is greater than 10. Now, in the previous lessons or in the lessons before, we've been talking a lot about decomposing, making that new 10, things like that. Well, today I'm going to show you another strategy, and this strategy is by using a picture, but it's kind of bringing in a few of those other strategies as well. So this is the picture strategy with just a little extra that goes with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw both pictures, but we're going to draw the pictures on top of each other. Now this is very, very important that we do this the right way. Now we're going to think about it as being a place value chart. We know that in the place value chart there's tens and ones. These two numbers only have tens and ones. Of course, if they had hundreds, we would have did hundreds, but we don't have that. So we know there's tens and ones. So we're going to I'm going to draw just my 17 first because that's what comes first. Now I'm going to pretend that there's like a dotted line right here, because I'm going to have my tens on one side, my ones on the other side. I want them to be as organized as possible. The reason why I want them to be organized or neat is because if I don't have them organized and it just looks like too much, it's going to be hard for me to count later. Okay, so that's why I'm going to do this and make sure that it stays organized and it stays neat. So I'm going to draw 17. I know that 17 is 1 10 and 7 ones. I'm going to draw 1 10 stick. And then 7 ones, I'm going to do them the 5 group row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and now I am going to do 76. 76 has 7 tens, 6 ones, So now I'm going to do my tens, my 7 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and now 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so now my next step, because I've drew both parts, I had that imaginary line right here, and I just did this like dotted line, just where it's not imaginary, you actually can see it. But whenever we do it, we're not really going to have this line that we're going to draw. So now, next step, we have all these ones over here. Well, if we wanted to, we're going to actually circle to make a new 10. So we're going to do one big circle to have 10 circles, or 10 of those ones in that circle. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I'm going to add some of these. 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle all of these together to make that new 10. Well, guess what? This is now a 10. I circled it. So now this is a new 10. So now I can put it over here. But now my real thing I need to ask myself now is how many ones are left after I just moved that over. Well, look, how many are not circled? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 that are not circled, so I'm going to put my number 3 down here. That's how many is left. Now I'm going to count how many tens I have. Let's count the tens. I'm going to count the one I moved over first so I don't forget it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 9. So 17 plus 76 is 93. Alright guys, that's it for this video.